In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover forgotten Amazon account username and password on mobile. If you've saved your Amazon login in your Google account before, you can view it in a few quick taps using Google's built-in password manager. This method is especially handy if you're on your phone and can't remember your details, but you know they were saved in your browser. Start by opening your favorite mobile browser. In the address bar, type account.google.com and go to the site. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the same Google account you typically use on your phone, because that's where your saved passwords will be stored. Once you're in your Google account, look for Password Manager. On mobile, you'll see it on the main page or under Security Options. Tap Password Manager to open your vault. This is the secure area where Google stores usernames and passwords you've chosen to save while browsing or using apps. Inside Password Manager, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Amazon.com. You might see more than one Amazon entry if you have multiple profiles or regional sites. Just pick the one you use for your account. Tap it to view the saved login details. Before anything is shown, you'll be asked to verify that it's really you. This could be your device PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock, depending on how your phone is set up. Go ahead and verify on your device. This extra layer of security helps keep your credentials protected, especially if someone else has your phone. After verification, you'll see your saved username and password for Amazon. Your username is usually the email address you use for Amazon. If the password is hidden, tap the eye icon to reveal it. You can also tap the copy icons to copy either the username or the password, so you can paste them when you sign back in. Be mindful of who can see your screen while you're revealing or copying credentials. If you don't see an Amazon entry, it likely means that login wasn't saved to this Google account, or it was never saved at all. In that case, check that you're signed into the correct Google account you use on your phone, or remember that only previously saved passwords will appear here. And that's it. By visiting account.google.com, opening Password Manager, selecting Amazon.com, and completing device verification, you can quickly recover your Amazon username and password on mobile. Keep your information secure, and you'll be back into your account in no time.